So you're considering selling your home, and naturally, you want to maximize your return on investment. These tips should help you achieve that goal. Hi, I'm Lauren Epicella with August Home Group and eXp Realty. With over a decade of experience in selling homes, I encounter nervous sellers quite often, and it's my responsibility to guide them through the process seamlessly. So let's talk about curb appeal. It's the first impression that your buyer will see when they arrive at your home. Renting a power washer or hiring someone to power wash your driveway, lanai, and home exterior is highly recommended. Removing years of dirt can make a significant difference. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open a lockbox, and this gives the buyer a chance to really look at your entryway while they are waiting to get in. Take a moment, make sure that there isn't any paint peeling off the doors or cobwebs around the lights. Next, we'll work with you on staging your home. 77% of buyer's agents said that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. Staging helps your home stand out from the competition by highlighting its best features. Research suggests that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. The good news is here at August Home Group, we actually include staging as part of our service. Effective marketing is essential. Professional photos and videos are a must. According to the National Association of Realtors, 97% of buyers use the internet to find their home. So professional photos and videos are crucial when preparing to sell your home. Again, with August Home Group, this is included as part of our service. Lastly, now that your home is ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving you much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice if need be. Consider planning simple meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Find a place to temporarily accommodate your pets during showings, whether it's with a family, a trusted friend, or taking them for a walk. These tips will help to get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. For more information, feel free to call us. I'm Lauren Epicella with August Home Group and eXp Realty, and we are excited to help elevate your lifestyle. Have a great day.